Ms. March.
Joe. My name is Joe.
Joe. We are not at all alike. We have our differences. May I be blunt?
Be blunt. By all means.
I think perhaps it looks like rain.
The sky gets bluer by the hour.
The water falls in little drops.
That's why it's called a sun shower.
Ah, now it stops.
You were about to be blunt?
If I say rain, then you say sun. If I say yes, then you say no. It seems before we start, we're done. We even argue at below. I say share with me this small umbrella.
I say who cares if I get wet?
We are as different as the morning and the night.
No, we are as different as the winter and the spring.
We always seem to fight.
We disagree on everything.
And yet, you make me smile, you make me laugh, you make me care. How can I explain inside my heart? I feel pain, you're not there. Though we are not at all alike. If we have that in common, that one small thing in common, love could be like a small umbrella in the rain.
Josephine!
Christopher Columbus.
Oh, the guests are almost here. I want the family gathered in the parlor. Just who are you?
This is my Aunt March.
This is Professor Bear.
Call me Fritz.
Fritz? Is that your name? Fritz.
Did I not tell you?
No, you were too busy being old. Well, bring in Fritz. You were saying Fritz?
When people discover passion, they've come upon something rare. This fervor they have in common will shelter them anywhere. Though the rest may be rough, with such passion to share, I think they have more than enough to make a marriage. If we dare.
You are proposing?
No. Yes. Yes. I do not mean today, or tomorrow, or even next month. In a year, maybe. 2 years, even. I am a patient man.
I won't be sweet, won't be demure.
This I prefer, this I adore.
I'll speak my mind, you can be sure.
I'll be enchanted to the core.
If I say let me share your small umbrella,
I'll say who cares if we get wet.
we'll be as different as a husband and a wife.
No, we will be different as a woman and a man.
We'll fight our way through life.
We'll disagree the best we can.
And yet,
You'll make me smile, you'll make me laugh, you'll make me care.
how can I explain inside my heart? I feel a pain when you're not there.
Though we are
Not at all alike. You make me feel alive. Yes, we have that in common.
that one small thing in common. Our love is like a small umbrella